everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a huge wooden bead rosary with the help of my friends at Bead. Now, you may not know this about me, but I am a huge fan of Facebook Marketplace because I can get free items for my projects every once in a while. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I found this old, broken baby's crib with tons of spindles, and I'm going to turn these spindles into huge wooden beads for this project. Now, don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hey. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a huge wooden bead rosary. Originally known as an infant bed or high-sided bed, baby cribs were used as early as 1620, and even then, cribs were made to ensure a safe sleep for babies by having high sides to prevent the baby from falling or climbing out. Before varnish or lacquer, wax was commonly used for wood from the mid-1700s to the early 1800s. Many cabinet makers used beeswax, which is still used today. According to Catholic tradition, the Rosary was instituted by the Blessed Virgin Mary herself. In the 13th century, she is said to have appeared to Saint Dominic, given him a rosary, and asked that Christians pray the Hail Mary, Our Father, and Glory Be prayers instead of the Psalms. The main function of rosary beads is to count prayers. The prayers that are counted on rosary beads are collectively known as the Rosary. I'm going to leave a link to RYOBI and Bead and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you next week. Bye.